Oh, okay, it's 3 o'clock. We're going to get started. Uh, Representative Williams, you opens the word of prayer. Yeah. We've got a bill, House Bill 303. We saw this same bill over the last couple of years, and it got cut a little short last year. Representative Glanton, if you would go to the podium, and you can take your mask off if you'd like, or just talk close to the microphone and tell us your LC number, and go ahead and.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chairman, ladies and gentlemen of the committee. First of all, I apologize for those I did not get around to. Got late notice on Friday to present the bill today, so forgive me for that. As the chairman said, this is a bill I've been working on for about 3 years now. And last year, we got up to 1159, I believe it was. So I was next on deck to bat, and Sine Die caught up with me. So, but here we are again. I'm speaking of House Bill 303. This was House Bill 61 last year, and I'm going from LC 460392. And basically, without being long-winded, this is a bill that if you are active duty military and or National Guard or Reserve, and you're between the ages of 18 and 25, the insurance companies have the ability to give you a reduction in your premium. This bill is not a mandate. It is very passive. It is a bill that I've worked with over the last 3 years with some of the members of this committee, as well as the full committee, as well as the lobbyists for the insurance companies and the commissioner's office. And at this point, there is no opposition to this bill. And so I believe the ages, and you might be able to help me here, the ages 18 to 25 pay a higher premium than someone 26 years old and older. And all this does is allows the insurance company to give a reduced premium to those military personnel that fall between 18 and 25. My philosophy is pretty simple. We give them an oath, we put them in, we send them to war, we give them a gun, and we trust them to defend this nation. And so I believe we ought to trust them to drive a car. So unless there's any questions, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Mr. Representative. And the insurance department doesn't have a problem with this. This is just allows the insurance company to do this if they choose to do so. Up until this, they really can't, but that'll be up to each insurance provider. Do we have any questions for Representative Glanton? Number 6.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and to the author. Just want to thank you for this bill. I know you've worked very hard. I remember probably 2, maybe 3 years ago, having a subcommittee hearing on this bill, and it didn't go the way you wanted it to, and you've continued to work and craft this to where didn't it pass out of the House last year? Or
it did. It passed out of 2 out of subcommittee and the full House. But I will tell you, speaking to that bill that didn't get quite out the gate, it actually helped because it helped us perfect the bill. It helped us to remove anything that pointed to a mandate, and it got everybody on board. So, Yes, I was disappointed at that point, at that time. But times change.
Well, I just wanted to tell you, thank you for all your work that you've done on this, and look forward to supporting it again.
Thank you so much.
There any further questions? I would. Representative,
Mr. Chairman, I'd like to make the motion to do pass at the appropriate time.
and this would be the appropriate time.
I'd like to move do pass on.
Have a motion and a second. Is there any further discussion? All in favor, say aye. Anybody that's opposed, same sign. Make sure you get the little paperwork signed for rules, and you got to have a little slip for Chairman Smith, but he'll take care of it. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, I was trying to make this thing go a little faster for you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, you got to go to full committee.
Trust me.
I was trying to help you. I've been here with you. I've been on this thing for 2 years with you.
I ain't mad at you. And I explained it to Chairman Lunsington.
Well, I'm glad you should have explained it to me. Thank you, sir. It probably will be Wednesday, but that'll be up to Chairman Lumsden. We're adjourned.